Hello everyone! At this point in time, we have our power supply installed in our case. We also have our heatsink installed on top of our CPU, which is locked into the motherboard. Now, before we move this entire setup into our computer case, we will install the RAM modules. These are the RAM modules. It's much easier to install these now than after we have this entire setup screwed into the case. On our motherboard, we have two slots to add RAM. Take note of where the notches are on the RAM slots on our motherboard. Right here and right here. These notches will line up with the notches on our RAM. Step 1 is to open the levers on the RAM slots of the motherboard. We're going to open them as far as they will go. They're going to click into place. This should require almost no force. Step 2 is we're going to line up the RAM module in the correct direction for the slot and that notch. Step 3, we're going to slowly lower the RAM module into the slot. Step 4, now use your thumbs to press down on both sides of the RAM module, and you feel the RAM module will be locked in by the two lever arms on the motherboard. Next, we take the second RAM module. We'll verify the alignment again, based on the notches on the motherboard RAM slot, and we'll press the RAM module down vertically using both of our thumbs again. Give it a push downward using your thumb on the left and on the right. As it clicks in, now the RAM modules are installed. This is exciting. Proceed onward in the course. We're almost ready to put this motherboard into the computer case.